Hi everyone, I'm Origanti Sridhar, practicing chart accountant in Hyderabad. Today I will discuss tax audit requirements for the financial year 2022-23, that is assessment year 2023-24. Let us start. Tax audit for the assessment year 2023-24, financial year 2022-23. Who is required to get a tax audit for the assessment year 2023-24? A person carrying on business if the total sales, turnover or gross receipts in the business for the previous year relevant to the assessment year exceeds rupees 1 crore. A person carrying on business if the following two conditions are satisfied, compulsory audit is required only if total sales, turnover or gross receipts in the business exceeds rupees 10 crore. 1. Aggregate of all receipts in cash during the previous year does not exceed 5% of such receipt. 2. Aggregate of all payments in cash during the previous year does not exceed 5% of such payment. For these purposes, payment are received by a check or drop which is not account payee shall be deemed to be payment or receipt in cash. A person covered under section 44 AD4, an eligible assessee declaring lower income, that is lesser than 8% or 6% as the case may be, and his income exceeds the maximum amount which is not chargeable to income tax in any previous year. A person carrying on profession, if the gross receipts in the profession for the previous year relevant to the assessment year exceeds rupees 50 lakh. A person covered under section 44 ADA, that is gross receipts do not exceed rupees 50 lakhs. If such person claims that the profits and gains from the profession are lower than 50% of the total gross receipts. Due date for obtaining audit report. Tax audit report should be obtained and electronically submitted 1 month prior to due date of submission of return of income under section 139(1), that is 30th September 2023. Penalty for not obtaining tax audit report within the due date. According to section 271B, if any person fails to get his accounts audited in respect of any year or years as required under section 44AB or furnish such a report as required under section 44AB, the assessing officer may impose a penalty. The penalty shall be lower of the following amounts. A. 0.5% of the total sales, turnover or gross receipts as the case may be in business, or of the gross receipts in the profession in such year or years, or rupees 1,50,000. However, according to section 271B, no penalty shall be imposed if reasonable cause for such failure is proved. Thank you.